Hi! Welcome to another episode of Skip to Malu's Modern Asian Cooking Series. For today's segment, ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay binagoongang baboy. Or, better yet, crispy binagoongang baboy. Sounds better? Some people don't like the smell of bagoong being cooked in their homes. And meron tayong pamonto dyan, which is ito. These are cinnamon barks na pangontra sa amoy ng bagoong. So habang nagluluto tayo ng binagoongan baboy, ito naman, binaboil na natin. Ang buong bahay mo nangangamoy ng cinnamon. Okay, for our ingredients, we have 2 tablespoons cooking oil, lots of garlic, bay leaf, bagoong. Ang ginamit kong bagoong ay Barrio Fiesta, tapos oyster sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, UFC ketchup, pork. Ang ginamit ko dito, pork butt na I sliced them into cubes, and also water. Okay? Simulan na natin. Ang gawin natin ay yung kalahati ng ating garlic, i-brown natin. Okay? Meanwhile, while we're searing the pork, we go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. There you go. Garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then a little pepper. Ngayon, na-sear na natin siya. Lalagay na natin itong ating binagoong sauce. And then, dagdagan natin ng tubig. And remember the rule na huwag i-stir ang sauce mo kapag may vinegar para hindi siya lasang-lasang suka, yung buhay na suka na sinasabi nila. Okay? So, let it simmer a bit. Huwag mo ring takpan. Ayan. Ngayon kumukulo na, pwede na natin siyang stir. So, after 20 minutes, ganyan na yung itsura ng binagoong baboy natin. The pork is already tender and it's also already cooked. So, what I normally do is hinihiwalay ko yung may taba sa taas. Now, if you use pork belly, lahat ng parts may taba sa taas. But in my case, I used pork butt. So, yung mga ibang slices lang may taba. So, I separate those from the one na may laman lang. And then, I broil this to make it really crispy. But, here's the but. You have to keep an eye on it kasi kaagad siya nasusunog. Okay? So, let's do that. And remember, there's one ingredient that I did not include. It's the brown sugar. So, at this point, when I want to reduce the sauce, that's the only time I'm putting in the sugar. Paano kasi, di ba? If you broil the sugar, masusunog talaga. So, what we're going to do here is to reduce the sauce further. And what I'm going to do here naman, dito sa sineparate ko, is I'm gonna broil it. Okay? So, let's do that. So, yan. Habang binabroil natin yun, I'm working on our sauce. Gusto ko kasi yung malapot. And I also, at this point, don't forget to always taste what you're cooking. Tamang-tama yung timpla. But if you think that it's more asim, dagdagan ng suka. If it needs more sugar, then dagdagan ng brown sugar. Okay? Then also, keep an eye sa binabroil nyo. You just want the skin to be blistered, not burnt. So, ayan na. That's the right consistency I was looking for. Okay, so lagay na natin sa serving plate ko and mag-taste na tayo. And then, naririnig-rinig nyo yung pumuputok-putok sa oven ko. I think it's ready, so let's take a look. There you go. Nice and crispy balat. Oh, ayan na. I always want to put a lemon wedge on the side. You know, brighten up a bit with a splash of lemon. Put a little something green. Just shreds of green, like sprinkle ng garlic. How do you like that? Guess what? My friend Kelly just called and she said she's around the neighborhood. So I told her I'm cooking binagoong baboy. Of course, she doesn't know what that is. So I invited her over. I'm curious how she'll like it.
Called?
Binagoongan.
What is it?
Binagoongan baboy. It's pork stewed in shrimp paste.
Oh, shrimp paste.
Yes.
I don't think I've ever had shrimp paste.
Okay.
Okay. Mmm. It smells really good, and I can smell the fishiness of the shrimp.
So, folks, she's my friend Kelly. She's a weekend anchor on Channel 5 here in St. Louis. So how do you like it, Kelly?
It's delicious. I taste the tanginess from the sauce.
Good. I didn't tell her that.
I can taste a little fishiness from the shrimp paste.
And do you feel that it's kind of funky or foul?
Mm-mm.
No?
It's tangy to me. It's just like a little kick, but not a hot kick.
Okay.
It's absolutely delicious.
Okay.
I love it.
Thanks, Kelly, and thank you for coming over to have an impromptu lunch with me. And huwag mong kalimutan na habang gumagawa ng binagoong baboy, magsalang ka ng cinnamon sticks or barks while you're cooking so that your house smells fabulous pa rin. Hanggang sa muli, ako si Malu, nagsasabing, that's sarap!